So I'm in the crash truck. I mean, the cone truck. They call it the cone truck because it has all the cones. Rumble strips and shit.
Hey, grab this.
I noticed that fucking spiders go in there. Look at that. There's probably like a black widow in there or some shit. Probably like inside here. But I was just gonna talk some shit about this real quick. There's no padding. There's nothing to protect someone. There's no airbags. Sharp objects. Rumble strips. Picking them up. Hustling. Eric's over there doing his thing. Well, this is definitely a violation of my fucking safety. On the street with some cones and shit.